Alright guys, so I'm going to make 2 columns out of this like scrap sheet, I guess it is, for a sign that it's not for me, but I'm going to just tack weld them together because that's all they wanted, is to have them tack welded just straight. And then I'm going to tack them together so it's like one long one. So it's going to be twice the size of this. So this shouldn't take very long. And then also I'm going to fill in these little plasma cut marks and then take them back. But yeah, it shouldn't be that bad. Alright, so it is done. That is all I'm going to do to it. It's probably like 4 feet or 4.5 feet. I don't know. I didn't really measure it. But it's all tacked together and it stands up, so that's nice. I'm pretty sure they're going to paint it. I didn't take off my welds or anything, so he just told me to tack weld it, which I did, so that's what I got.